Tips from a mortgage broker to improve your credit. How to improve your credit fast. Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me. I am Jeff, the Mortgage Pro, and today we're going to be talking about the all-important topic of credit and how to make sure that you're optimized to be able to get the best interest rates possible on your home loan. So let's jump right into some steps here that you can take to be able to improve your credit over time. And the first one you want to do is figure out what your credit score is and your actual credit report itself. So go to annualcreditreport.com. You're allowed to request this for free once a year. And when you pull that, you want to make sure that you get your FICO score so that you can see what your scores are, because that's what most people look at, is to determine what their FICO score is. And then also you want to see the credit report itself so you can see if there's any information on there or errors on there. So step number 2 is to take a look at that credit report. Are there any things on there that are not lining up with what you already know? Did somebody open up a credit card in your name or a bank account in your name that you don't know about? Are there aliases? Do you have a common name that other people could have had mistaken identity with? All those things you want to make sure that you review. And that's step number 2 when you're looking at your credit report. If you have anything that is a discrepancy from your actual information itself, you want to make sure to reach out to the credit bureaus themselves by phone. There's 3 of them: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and make sure that you reach them. Oftentimes they're very hard to get a hold of, and I know because I've done it multiple times for helping out with people's credit, but you have to be persistent. You have to get on the phone with somebody. You have to talk to somebody. You have to take good notes about who you're talking to and what you're talking to them about to make sure that they correct the information appropriately so that you can improve your credit score going forward, and make sure that information is completely accurate on that credit report. There are 2 things that you can do in a mortgage transaction or for the mortgage credit algorithm that are super important. And the first one of those is to make sure that you make your payments on time. And I know that sounds really simple, but that's because it is. The more on-time payments that you have, the better your chances of you having good credit in terms of the mortgage algorithm that pulls the credit scores for us as loan officers when we're helping you buy a house or helping you refinance a house. It's really simple. Now, one of the crazy things is if you miss a monthly payment, your credit score is going to drop significantly, and it drops really fast. As soon as the negative inquiry is on there, it's going to drop 60, 70, 80 points just because of that one missed payment that you had. And then it takes a long time, like a year, to be able to get that score back up to where it was before. So super, super important. Make sure that you make your payments on time. The second tip and the second most important thing to do in terms of the mortgage credit is to make sure that the proportion of your balances below your credit limits are less than 30%. Ideally, we would want to have those things paid off completely every single month. So you need to utilize the credit in order to develop your credit score, but you also need to pay off that credit and show that you have a good history of making sure that you pay those things off. Another way that you can help improve your credit score is to become an authorized user on somebody else's credit. So let's say that you have a spouse and your spouse is really good with credit and they have lots of credit, but you decided that you didn't want to mess with credit, going forward. But in order to buy a house, you need some credit. So what you can do is become an authorized user on one of their credit cards, and that will get you a credit score pretty fast. And that will, and pretty fast means a couple of months. You'll be able to develop some good credit over that period of time. So become an authorized user if you want to improve your score or get a score pretty fast. And then one of the crazy things that we have access to now as technology continues to develop in terms of mortgages and credit and things of that nature is we have artificial intelligence. So one of the things that we can do when we run your credit score, it will determine, okay, can we get your credit score up to a certain point, and what's the cost of doing so? And in some instances, it may be moving $103 from one credit card to another credit card by doing some sort of a balance transfer. In some instances, it may be paying off $2,300 in debt. And so instead of putting a 20% down payment, you use that $2,300 to pay off your credit, to improve your improve your credit score, which changes your rate from a higher rate to a lower rate, and that over time will help you save lots of money. So there's lots of different things that we can do and look at once we pull your credit score as mortgage people, because of that artificial intelligence, which will absolutely help you improve that over time. It's a well-known fact, and most people understand this, but the lower your interest rate, the lower your payment, the less interest that you're going to pay over time. So ideally, we want to make sure that our credit score is always optimized, especially if we're going to borrow money, because we're going to get the most favorable terms if we have the right credit score. So hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any questions at all about mortgages and credit, make sure that you reach out to me, and I look forward to talking to you really soon. Have a good one.